This video will demonstrate how to use faceted search functionality in WebHelp Responsive Output. This functionality was introduced in Oxygen Feedback 4.0. A faceted search is a powerful and user-friendly search and filtering technique that makes it easy to narrow the results and find specific information within a large documentation project by applying multiple filters or facets simultaneously. Now, the default search engine that comes embedded in WebHelp Responsive Output doesn't support faceted search functionality. So to enable faceted searches, you must first embed Oxygen Feedback in your published WebHelp Responsive Output, and you must configure the default search engine to use Oxygen Feedback's engine. Details for how to embed feedback can be found in our video, How to Install Oxygen Feedback in WebHelp Output. The link to that video can be found in the description. To configure Oxygen Feedback as the search engine for WebHelp, you need to enable the content indexing functionality in the Oxygen Feedback admin interface. To do so, go to the settings page for the particular version that you want the default engine replaced. Scroll down to the content indexing and search section and click the edit button to expand it. The content indexing plays a critical role in the search process by serving as a map for Oxygen Feedback to help quickly and efficiently locate relevant content based on the user queries. When it crawls the output, it indexes the content for each page, creating a searchable record of the HTML content, and the index stores information about the content of each page, such as the text and title, as well as metadata, such as keywords and index terms. You need to select the checkbox to enable the content indexing functionality. Then click Save to complete the configuration, and the indexing process is automatically triggered. Now we'll go to the corresponding WebHelp output to show the faceted search functionality in action. So the system returned 18 matches for the initial query. Notice that there's a filter section on the left where the facet categories are displayed. You can click the checkboxes next to the options to filter the results based on the particular values. Notice that after selecting a facet value, the results are now narrowed to 3 items. And after selecting another value, you see that it narrowed it down even further. The facets displayed in the search results page are collected from the current publication and can be defined using a data subject scheme map. The subject def element is used to define both the subject category and a list of controlled values. The parent subject def element defines the category, while the children subject def element defines the controlled values. In our example, the flowers by season category is defined with the controlled facet values of spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The faceted values that are defined in the subject scheme map are then associated with a particular topic using a data classification map. That concludes this tutorial about using the faceted search functionality in WebHelp Responsive Output after configuring it to use the Oxygen Feedback search engine. Thank you for watching, and don't miss the related videos listed in the description. As always, we also welcome your feedback and suggestions.